Hello everyone, it's Brian Macdonald with Inspections, Estimates, and Supplements here again, doing a roof inspection on this 1212 architectural shingle. It's probably almost 20 years old, very old. It's got granule loss and very brittle. We're doing a repair test, a live repair test here to see if it can be in fact repaired. Brought my nail gun out here, chalked out an area where shark tooth has been blown off the shingle, and that's where we're going to show if we could do a repair above the damaged shingle with my nail gun. And let me show you what it looks like. All right, here it is. Chalked out an area. Let's see if we can get a wider view. With an F marked on the front. Chalk out your shingle. It's so old that the shingle has ripped right there, right where the shark tooth teeth above the damaged shingle. So it is creating more damage, so not going to be able to repair this roof like the adjuster and the ladder assist has stated. Now lift up. Let's see, right there, it's just completely ripped the shingle in half. Now I let it back down, and you can see that the granule loss on the shark tooth has just fallen off horizontally right here. So that is considered damaged and fail a repair test. Now I'm going to submit these photos to the adjuster at Travelers and get this roof full replacement. I'll keep you posted.